Hello everyone and welcome back to my next video. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm using an Instagram automation tool which has helped me automatically send messages to all of my followers on Instagram. And if you have thousands of followers on Instagram and every time you want to sell something or send out promotional offers, you'd have to spend hours sending messages to each person one by one. But don't worry, after watching this video, you'll know how to use our software to automatically message all of your customers in just a few minutes. Okay, this is the Instagram software interface. It helps you manage an unlimited number of Instagram accounts. You can add hundreds, thousands, or even millions of Instagram accounts to the software. And don't worry, when you use multiple Instagram accounts, the software supports assigning a proxy to each one. Here you can go to the proxy manager section to assign proxies. Here you can add proxies for each of your accounts. That will help your accounts by changing their IP addresses, so your accounts would be very safe. Next, there are many features. Our software has a variety of features for you to help you automate everything from messaging to auto posting on Instagram accounts, auto posting reels, and even auto commenting, following, and liking. In this video, I'll just focus on the auto messaging feature. So I'll go to the auto messaging section here. Notice that the column on the right contains the parameters for you to set up the software. First, to message your customers or followers, you need to have those account IDs. Here, you can enter the account IDs like that. You can send messages by account. You'll enter them right here. Or alternatively, you can send to the people you're following on the account. See? So here you'll select send by account, then I'll enter the list. I'll enter the list of accounts you want to message right here. Doing this manually to find each customer would be very time consuming, wouldn't it? But with this software, it'll automatically search and scan for you the list of accounts following any specific account. Here, I'll go into the data management section. Next, I'll choose an Instagram account that you want to scan for followers. Now, I'll go back to my Instagram. Here, this is an Instagram account that I'm targeting. This person is in the fashion business and I want to reach out to their customers, the people following them. So the first thing you need to do is just copy the ID for me. Then go back to the software and enter the ID you want to target here. Just paste it in and save it. In here, you can scan an unlimited number of followers from that account. For example, you can set it to scan 500 or let's say 5 to 10. I'm just doing an example for you now. Later on, you can scan much larger numbers. There you can enter the quantity here from 5 to 10 accounts. Right here, for 5 to 10 followers, you enter it here. Once you've entered all the information, you'll select an account, one of your Instagram accounts, and then just hit the start button. The software will automatically scan all the followers from your target account, just like that. Now the software has finished scanning the followers of that target account. So you go to the list section here. This is everything. I only set it to scan 5 to 10 followers. See, I've scanned 12 people here. You can select all of these accounts and export them to a data file, or you can just copy them directly. Okay, copy successful. Now go back to the messaging section. Once you have the list of accounts, you'll paste all those accounts in here. There's the list of people following the target account. Now save it. Next, you can set how many messages you want each account to send to those targets right here. For example, if you want a single Instagram account to send messages to a group of 10 people, you would enter that list right here. You can also choose to allow duplicate messages. For instance, if account 1 sends messages to those 10 people and account 2 sends messages to the same 10, you can check this box to allow it. If not, simply uncheck it. Once you have all the accounts you want to message, you'll need to get the content ready for your messages. So go ahead and select this part here, right here, and then you'll enter your content just like that. If you don't have any content yet, go to the content management section here. Use content management to add your own material. See, I've already added a lot of different content of my own here. I'll show you how to add it again. First, select the category you want to save it in. Next, set the format to Instagram. Then enter your content right here, like hello everyone. You can type it in just like that. After that, if you have photos or videos, you can upload them, then just hit save. That's it. I'll select the messaging option, save it. Okay, now you'll go back to the messaging section here and you'll select the content you want to send, the content we just added earlier. There, you allow duplicate content, then you check all the boxes. Next, you just need to select all of these Instagram accounts. Select all. After that, you'll click the start button. So as you can see on the screen, the software has automatically logged into all of your Instagram accounts. There, it's logging in automatically. After logging in automatically, it starts loading the followers that you just scanned and found. And then it begins sending automated messages to those customers. So in this way, once you have scanned thousands of customers, sending automated messages is very quick. Using this software makes it really fast. It only takes a few minutes to set up the software. That way, you can reach millions of customers every single day. And this software will be especially suitable for customers working in the fashion industry, those involved in accessories, or for those of you who are KOLs or KOCs. That's it.